Demands on product design teams today are changing. Smart and connected products are now the norms. Talking to companies and our customers about their electronic product designs and workflow challenges revealed that most customers are still utilizing a design flow between their electrical and mechanical design teams that include DFX, IDX, or step files communicated through email. The number one issue we hear about is the necessity for seamless electromechanical co-design and the importance of intelligent ECAD-MCAD collaboration as critical factors to their overall success. SOLIDWORKS bridges the gap between electronic and mechanical design, uniting both sides of the design process under one common method of collaboration for mechatronic products. This ensures you get your designs delivered on time and on budget. In this example, mechanical engineer defines board shape with use of envelope for components placement restrictions and passes to electrical engineer programmatically without the use of external file transfer. Electrical engineer loads components in the board and places critical components in 2D or 3D for mechanical engineer to review. Later, a change was made to the board shape by adding chamfers and a notch. Also, components are moved and position LCD display is adjusted to match the opening in the plastic holder and synchronized right from within SOLIDWORKS. Once the change is committed using the managed ECO process, your electronic design team is notified of any impending modifications and can review, accept, or dismiss any revisions. Knowing what was changed and when is seamless, with instant notifications and a detailed change history, keeping everyone involved up to date at all times. Seamless collaboration in SOLIDWORKS ECO system between all teams working in parallel on design promotes frequent reviews, thus negating massive changes, increased cost, and schedule delays at the end of a project, ensuring you get your designs delivered on time and on budget.